Hello friends, today we'll solve the top interview questions like merge sorted array. So first carefully read this question and try to understand. So I have understood this question. So what we need to do, they have given the two arrays which is nums1, nums2, and they have given the length like 3 and n. And what they told nums1 of has the length of m plus n. So, but we need to consider only these first three. As you can see, they have given the m is 3. So 0, 1, 2. So they have given the length 3. So what we need to do? Just we need to merge this string. So this is you can be think of like slicing. This is they sliced and give this only. So 0 is just we need to ignore. It's just a placeholder. So what output we require? We require like one means we require the sorted array with the ascending order, like sorted array only. So how we can do? We will take two pointers, like here is we will point like here p1 and here like p2, two pointers. Then we will compare both the pointer. If pointer is greater than uh, p1 is 3 is greater than 6, which one is greater than 6? So 6 we will insert here. So same way, and just we need to modify the nums on only. We will merge this into the nums on array. Merge both. So how we can do? First we need, so for that, what where we are putting? We are putting the nums1 of length minus 1, right? Means we have the putting at last. So how we can find that length? So we will just, I will store that length of nums1 nums1 minus 1. Then we'll find the p1 and p2's length also, m minus 1 comma n minus 1, right? Then we will compare while we will use while loop. P1 is greater than is equal to 0 and p2 is greater than is equal to 0. Okay, and they told like okay, this is, we'll go to, now we will compare like 3 and 6. So how we can compare? If nums of 1 nums1 of p1 is greater than nums2 of p2, then we need to do what we need to do. We simply modify the nums1. So nums1 of, at where we modified, at insert, where the insert position here first, at the last position of, then we just need to give that nums1 of p1. Okay, if it's not greater, else condition, like if it's equal to or if it's p2 is greater, then what you can do? Nums1 of insert is equal to nums2 of p2. Then okay, we forgot to, okay, if it's greater, if p1 we inserted, right, then just we need to p1 we need to decrease by 1. Here also, if, here we will insert p2, so p2 we need to decrease by 1. Then after this operation, if anything got inserted at insert position, then we need to decrease insert by 1. Okay, and another edge case might be like if nums2 length is greater than nums1, or what if nums1 p1 will be like -1 and p2 still is greater, so in this loop it will not go, right? So we need to handle that condition. Then while p2 is greater than or is equal to 0, then what we need to do? Just nums of 1 at the insert position, we need to give the nums2 of p2. Then simply nums2, we need to decrease p2 by 1 and decrease insert by 1. Okay, so that's all. This is our solution, because they told just we need to modify the nums1, do not return anything. So this is the solution. If we run this, let's see, it will pass through. Okay, all test cases successfully completed. So I will show you the one of the example. Like we can use this only, nums1 and nums2. So p1 we are pointing here, p2 here, and insert we just need to modify this, right? So insert we will point here, insert I will. So you can see p1 is greater than, okay, p1 is greater because it's 2 2, length is 2 2. So nums1 of p1, nums of p1 is 3, 3 is greater than 6, no, then it will come here. So 6 is greater than, so else, so else condition, nums1 of insert, nums of insert, directly we need to put the p2. So we'll put p2 and p2 will decrease to decrease by 1, I will also decrease by 1. Okay, then it will again go. So 3, p1 will be here only, 3 is greater than 5, no, then it will come here, nums of up insert this, then we need to insert nums of 2 of p2. So what is this, 5, so we will insert 5 here, and we will decrease p2 first, and then decrease I. Okay, then you can see 3 is greater than 2, here this condition will satisfy, then 3 will be inserted here, then I will be get decrease, and p2 also get will decrease by 1, p1 sorry, then again it will come back, 2 is greater than 2, no, then it will come here, nums of insert at position 3 we will insert like p2, nums of p2 2, 2 will get insert, then p2 we need to decrease by 1, I is also get decreased by 1. So now p2 will become like -1, right? So p1 is greater than 0, yes, it is 0 2, but p2 is not greater than 0, it's less than 0, right? p2 is -1. So just our loop will finish, it will not come here also, so it will get finished just. So this is our solution, just we need to submit.